Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. Firstly, make sure that you enable the Bluetooth. Open the control panel and enable if it's disabled. Now, this speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically, but there is a problem in iOS devices that we need to do this manually after we turn on the Bluetooth. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker here. Also, you can try to do the same on your Android device, because sometimes it happens with all devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically. So you can at least try to do this. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, firstly we need to turn off the speaker. So at the top, the left side, we have power button, press and hold it. We turn on it, now the speaker disconnected. On iOS we have information not connected. If you have Android it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme, under your speaker you have information in use when it connected and no information when it disconnected. So maybe you have the similar path to check it. After that you need to turn on your speaker, and your speaker reconnect with your phone automatically. But also sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Then you need to enter to the Bluetooth and tap at your speaker. Okay, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until your speaker turn off. So it's something like 5 seconds. Press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect the speaker with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and as you can see the speaker automatically turn on after factory reset. Now at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget the device and forget device. On your phone it may be unpair, not forget device, or forget this device, it depends. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or you have a button refresh, click at this button, or you can also turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, speaker enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see it at the device list and you need to tap at your speaker. And we have connection. We're connected. Now you need to check if the factory reset didn't help you also. I have one more solution for you. Is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. If it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems with visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part on your Android to find a similar path to these settings. Or maybe you not, I don't know. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. You need to click at this line, and then click Reset. In this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click at this line, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Okay, and that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system. Now scroll down again, and at the bottom we have our set options, at least on Android, on stock Android. Tap at this line. Right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!